giveaway time. Do you want some new tyres? Of course you do. We've got the full range of Continental's Premium King tyres, from the lightest weight cross-country fast tyres to the toughest of all. We're taking a look at all the features, and in the end of the video, we're giving away a pair of each of these. There's 12 tyres winging their way worldwide to you lucky viewers. So these are the premium tyres, all handmade in Germany in that factory that I got to visit. So starting off down here, we've got the cross-country tyres from the Speed King, the Race King to the Cross King, up to the Trail and Enduro tyres, the Mountain King, the Trail King, and then the Baron. Why is that not called the King? I'm not sure actually. I think that's probably because it was a prototype tyre that made its way to production. But we've got you covered. We've got the full range of tyres. Let's start at the fastest and the lightest end of the market. This is the Speed King 2. So the Speed King is available in all different sizes, 26, 27.5 and 29, all in that 2.2 width. And this is using that race sport technology. So this is all about being super lightweight, but being the fastest cross-country, uncompromising tyre out there. So the race sport is foldable, just like all these tyres here, and it's 3-ply underneath that tread to offer protection, 2-ply on the sidewalls to make sure it's lightweight. How light is it? Well, this 27.5 tyre is 445 grams, super light. So from the hard pack and dry Speed King tyre, let's go up to a more all-round cross-country tyre. This is the Race King. It's still super lightweight, but this is a notoriously fast-rolling tyre. So you can see the extra tread you're now getting on the Race King. So this is an impressive cross-country and marathon race tyre. So you're also getting that protection layer now as well to prevent punctures. So it's 3-ply all-round and then that protection layer underneath the tread. Again, it's got Conti's famous black chili rubber compound. It's got a foldable aramid bead. So this tyre is tubeless ready. It's got that protection, but it still only weighs 570 grams for the 27.5 version. Right, let's get up there to the Cross King. So the Cross King is still a cross-country tyre, but it's getting up towards all mountain. It's the tyre that I run on all my cross-country bikes. So it deals really well with all-round and loose conditions. So this is the 27.5 2.3 version, also available in 2.2, and 26-inch wheels and 29-inch wheels. So loads of options with the Cross King. For all-round conditions on your cross-country bike, this is the tyre, and it weighs in at 705 grams. Now let's take a look at the all-new Mountain King. So this is the all-new tread design on the Mountain King, and this was actually designed with cooperation from Adidas, the giant shoe manufacturer. So you'll actually see this tread on some of their shoes. If you compare this to the Cross King, you can see how the tread is now getting deeper, but actually, interestingly enough, this weighs 705 grams, so exactly the same weight as that Cross King. Why would you choose one over the other? Well, the Cross King is going to be faster rolling, the Mountain King is going to offer you more grip. So this is an all-mountain tyre with enduro characteristics, just great for all-round trail riding. It's available in all the sizes, you guessed it, 26, 27.5 and 29, and this protection version is available in 2.3 wide. Moving up onto another brand new tyre, this is the Trail King, but this now comes in Protection Apex. So the Protection Apex is Conti's sidewall technology that protects from impact punches even at low pressures. So the Trail King is really aimed at enduro and aggressive riders that are going to really test their tyres to the limits. You can also see how the tread now is getting slightly deeper than the Mountain King, so it's going to suit loose, muddy, dirt conditions where you really want to get that tyre digging in. So this is the redesigned Trail King. Actually, it's quite subtly different from the last one, but you can just see these side knobs are just more in line with each other to give you really good cornering grip. Available in 26, 27 and 29. The 27 and 29 available in 2.2 and 2.4 widths. So this is a 2.4. Obviously that's probably better for drier, hard pack conditions, whereas the narrow tyre is going to dig in better into the mud. So now we're up to the Protection Apex end of the scale with these two tyres. So they're tougher, grippier tyres, and this now weighs in at 890 grams. So right to the top of the scale, this is the Baron Project 2.4. So why is it called Project? Well, actually, these are the tyres that are developed with Conti's top pro athletes as prototypes that eventually make it to the market. So this is a proper enduro tyre. Still got that black chili, really soft but fast rubber compound, give you the ultimate grip. But you've also got that apex protection, so loads of protection that sidewall to make sure you get to the end of that enduro race. Available in all 3 wheel sizes, and the 27.5 version weighs in at 920 grams. This is a tyre made for enduro. You can see it's kind of deep, almost like a mud tyre, but still great for all round conditions. And it's one that actually I helped develop when I was a Conti athlete myself. Also, the tyres in this range from protection right up to protection apex are rated for e-bikes, so a super versatile set of tyres. Right, get involved. We're giving away 6 pairs of tyres. We're sending them worldwide in whatever size you want. So do it. Follow the link in the description down below, or there should be one floating around up here. And if you want to see a video of me touring the factory in Korbach and seeing exactly how these tyres are made by hand in Germany, click up there for that one. Give us a thumbs up if you like winning free stuff, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.